My biggest position in my portfolio and my favorite long-term stock is currently being cyber attacked. So let's go into that. What's happening, ladies and gents? Welcome to the video and channel. It is Frankie. Today we are talking about CD Projekt Red, a game designer out of Poland who are best known for the Witcher series and most recently Cyberpunk 2077. Cyberpunk 2077. One of my favorite companies and developers, ever. They've kind of done a bit of a hurrah and a bit of a shit show with the latest release of Cyberpunk being a buggy mess and a lot of sort of lies and manipulation around it, driving the stock price down into a really good price to buy in at. Their income balance sheet and cash flow sheets are really good statements all around. So as a long-term perspective, as long as they recover, they're in a very good position to go on to their all-time highs again in the near future, potentially a year away from now. That's why they are in my portfolio as a whole, but they've my stock was going down even more, and I was wondering why is that happening. So I just looked into CD Projekt, looked into the news, and they have been cyber attacked. So let's have a little read of their statement and see what's going on. Yesterday we discovered that we have been victim to a targeted cyber attack, due to which some of our internal systems have been compromised. An unidentified actor gained unauthorized access to our internal network, collected certain data belonging to CD Projekt Red, and left a ransom note, the content of which we released to the public. Although some devices in our network have been encrypted, our backups remain intact. We have already secured our IT infrastructure and begin restoring the data. We will not give in to the demands nor negotiate with the actor. Being aware that this may eventually lead to the release of compromised data, we are taking necessary steps to mitigate the consequences of such a release, in particular by approaching any parties that may be affected due to the breach. We have already approached the relevant authorities, including law enforcement and the president of the Personal Data Protection Office, as well as IT forensic specialists, and we closely cooperate with them in order to fully investigate the incident. Taking a look into the actual ransom note, you have been epically pooned! We have dumped full copies of the source codes for Cyberpunk, Witcher, Gwen, and unreleased Witcher 3. We have also dumped all your documents relating to accounting, admin, legal, HR, investor relations, and more. Also, we've encrypted all your servers, but we understand that you can most likely recover from backups. If we will not come to an agreement, then your source codes will be sold or leaked online. Contacts will be informed from game journalists, and your public image will go down the shitter even more. People will see how shitty the company functions. Investors will lose trust. Okay, I did not expect this when I was looking on Yahoo Finance. What do I think about it? I think, it is a shit show. What's going on at the moment? It's like, the minute you do something bad, everything's just highlighted. It's like when you want a new car and you're driving down the street and you're always seeing that car, as soon as something's been highlighted in the mind of people, we then see it even more. So when more and more bad things happen to a company, everyone's just piling on and kind of getting on their case. It's not good. It's really not good, and that is why the stock price has gone down. If we look at the stock price now, we went from 1947 to 1826, which is really, it's shit. It's really not good. But again, thinking long term, can they recover from this? Yes, they can. They've got the money to recover from it. It's like, it's just, at the end of the day, the thing they need to recover from is brand perception at the moment. They're currently now known as liars. There's a famous quote out there essentially saying it takes so many years to build up a reputation, but only days to ruin one. I don't know where that come from, but again, it's that same old thing. They now have to just rebuild. And as far as an investor standpoint, I'm looking at buying opportunities as the price is lower, which is I've been looking into. I don't really have the funds available, but if they ever do come available, I'm looking to invest more. I need to see some positive news. I need to see something, maybe if they're releasing DLC for the new game, they just release it for free or something, or fix a game ASAP. Get people on your good side. This sort of shit can be overcome. So if you're an investor of CD Projekt Red, that was the information. You probably know it already. I just needed to look it up. I didn't know until today. So that is what's going on, and hopefully they can overcome this. I see them overcoming it. They just need to just fucking sort shit out. Just need to sort shit out. But anyway, that was the CD Projekt Red video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you even have the stock in your portfolio. If you're bullish, bearish, how many shares you've got, or what price. Talk to me. I always respond, and I'll see you in another video.